This little pup
He's a miracle dog, absolutely.
is a wonder to all.
I've never heard of anything like this before, ever. This is a first.
Rudolph is an 8-month-old lab American pit bull mix whose paws shouldn't even be on this earth today.
He was euthanized, and when they returned to that room, they came back and Rudolph was alive.
That was at a shelter in Oklahoma. Since then, Rudolph was brought to King's Harvest Pet Rescue, where he has become an instant internet sensation. When Jacob Homer saw the photo, he couldn't resist.
My family and I, we've bred Siberian Huskies to give to combat veterans, Purple Heart recipients, combat wounded veterans.
Jacob traveled 2.5 hours from Des Moines this morning in hopes of giving Rudolph a home with a veteran in Colorado.
I sent him the story on this dog, said, check this dog out, and this incredible story. He was so moved by it and emotional, he was just like, I have to have this dog.
Jacob thinks that with the right training, Rudolph could make the perfect partner.
Having a dog, it gives you a sense of something to wake up and fight for. And, especially a lot of these vets that are struggling, just, having a reason to get up in the day.
Proving dogs truly are a man's best friend.
So everybody has been really interested in this boy.
And this little wonder
He's going to be worn out after today, is all of these people.
finds the right home. In Davenport, Marissa Sulek, WQAD News 8.